Innovative City Bus Design Reviewed by APSRTC. On Tuesday, the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of APSRTC, Dwaraka Tirumala Rao, took a hands-on look at a freshly crafted city ordinary bus body featuring an experimental design, developed under the keen supervision of the Vijayawada zonal workshop. This newly designed city bus was brought directly to the APSRTC headquarters, where Mr. Tirumala Rao closely examined every detail, from the quality of materials and paintwork to seating comfort and manufacturing costs. His thorough inspection didn't stop there. He also engaged with officials to dive deep into technical specs and financial implications tied to this bus model. Walking around the bus, he personally checked the passenger seats, windows, boarding, and alighting steps, entire quality, ensuring each element met high operational standards and was suitably designed. Gathering detailed insights from the works manager, engineers, and staff, he left no stone unturned in understanding the bus's performance potential. After a comprehensive review, the managing director directed the team to carry out a feasibility study and prepare a detailed report on how this innovative manufacturing technique could be replicated across other zonal workshops throughout the state. He took a moment to commend the dedication and skill of the team members, supervisors, and works manager whose efforts brought this new bus body to life. Accompanying Mr. Tirumala Rao on this important visit were key executives including Executive Director, Admin, G.V. Ravi Varma, Executive Director, Operations, A. Upholraju, Vijayawada Zone Executive Director G. Vijayaratnam, NTR District Public Transport Officer M.Y. Danam, Chief Mechanical Engineer, Maintenance, G. Nageshwar Rao, along with other senior officials.